Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive into the exciting world of corporate filings. Today we're cracking open Southern States Bank Shares' latest Form 8K. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. We'll break down what this report tells us about where your money might be going if you are a shareholder. It's all about dividends, which is like a thank you check a company sends to its investors. Southern States Bank Shares just told the SEC, the government agency that keeps an eye on companies, about something important that all shareholders should know. This report is like a quick update about big news happening at the company. The big news happened on April 16, 2025. That's the date of the event we're going to discuss. Think of it as the day the company made a decision they had to share right away. This is the full name of the company we are talking about. They're based in Alabama, and you can find them trading on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticker symbol SSBK. It's like their nickname on the stock market. Southern States Bank Shares is incorporated in Alabama and has been around for a while, and the government knows them well. They tell us where their main office is. It's not super important for us, but it's part of the rules to have this information in the report. If you really wanted to call them, that is the number, but don't expect them to pick up just because you're curious about this video. Southern States Bank Shares has its stock listed on the NASDAQ stock market under the symbol SSBK. So if you want to buy or sell shares, that's how you'd find them. This part is just checking a box to say Southern States Bank Shares is still considered an emerging growth company. This means they get a little extra time to get used to all the rules. Think of it as a grace period for smaller companies. Here's the main event. The company declared a quarterly cash dividend. A dividend is like a little reward the company gives to its shareholders for owning the stock. On April 16, 2025, the board of directors decided to pay out $0.90 per share of common stock. So for every share you own, you'll get 9 cents. If you own the stock on May 1, 2025, you'll get that dividend on May 12, 2025. That is when the company sends out the checks. If you want to read the official announcement, it's attached to this report as Exhibit 99.1. It is usually a press release with the same information. Now let's zoom out and see what this dividend tells us about Southern States Bank Shares. Is this a sign of strength, or are there hidden risks we should be aware of? Southern States Bank Shares is in a relatively strong position right now, and I believe that they made this move in good faith. A dividend shows that the company has cash on hand and confidence in its future earnings. However, remember that one dividend doesn't tell the whole story. To get the full picture, we would need to look at their long-term financial performance and see how this dividend fits into their overall strategy. You should always do your own research and not make investment decisions based solely on a press release. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us bring you more videos decoding the corporate world. What company should we investigate next? Let us know in the comments